Hello, this is part 16, Weapon Ammo Pickup Sound Bug Fix. In this video, I fix a bug with the weapon ammo pickup sound, and to do that, on the player character, I modify the drop weapon blueprint. On the weapons BP weapon gun, I modify this blueprint. On the pickups, I modify the BP ammo pickup assault rifle blueprint, and I make the same changes to BP ammo pickup shotgun. I'm going to demo what the problem is before I fix it. So I'm going to pick up the shotgun, and there's a sound. Now I'm going to pick up the ammo, and there's a sound. Now I'm going to drop the weapon, and there's a sound. Now I pick up the weapon, and there's a sound. Now I'm going to go into the corner and pick up this ammo, and there's no sound. Now I'm going to drop the weapon, and there's no sound. So this is what I'm going to show how to fix. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Player, and double click BP Player Character. I'm going to modify the drop weapon blueprint. Drag this pin to location. And compile and save. Under Content, Team TPS, Weapons, double click BP Weapon Gun. I added these two nodes here. Under Content, Team TPS, Weapons, Pickups, double click BP Ammo Pickup Assault Rifle. I added these two nodes. And double click BP Ammo Pickup Shotgun. I added the same two nodes here. I'll press play to test. Grab the shotgun. Grab ammo. Now I'll grab this ammo. So it made a sound, that worked. I'll drop the gun. That made a sound. Pick it up, that made a sound. So it's working the way it should now.